Learning objective B in this section, we're now going to add the distributive property of multiplying through various numbers, and then we'll either add or subtract. So in this case, we have 4 times this whole piece. We have plus 2 times this whole piece. We must distribute the 4 to everything in the parentheses and the 2. That'll leave us with 4 times 2x squared is 8x squared. 4 times negative x, negative 4x. 4 times a positive 5, plus 20. Then a positive 2 times an x squared is plus 2x squared. Positive 2 times a positive 3x, plus 6x. A positive 2 times a negative 7 is minus 14. Then we're back to what we did before. I'm going to add our like terms and then put it in standard format. So we have 10x squareds. In terms of the x's, we'll be down to 2x's. And for the numbers, 20 minus 14 would be 6. Here's a slightly higher level example. They want us to multiply an x through to here, 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 and here. But then don't forget we have to multiply this negative sign through all of this. Now, when we multiply the x, we're going to have x times x cubed, and I'm just going to write this right now. Plus, we're going to have x times x squared. Plus, we have x times x. Plus, we have x times 1. Then I'll multiply through the negative sign, negative x cubed, negative x squared, plus x, and minus 1. I'm going to combine the terms that are written in red. I remember here, x times x cubed, using property of exponents, there's going to be x to the 4th. This is going to be x cubed. This one here looks like I forgot the other x, so go back and fix this. It should be x times x. Combining these together, we're going to have x squared, and then plus an x. And then the original part that we're subtracting here. Combining like terms, there is only one x to the 4th. We have 1x cubed minus x cubed. There's nothing there. I have x squared minus x squared. There's nothing there. 1x plus 1x would be plus 2x. Then we're left over with a constant number of negative 1. And this would be our final answer. This last one here is some nice practice of subtraction. Again, we're going to multiply the 2 through. Here we multiply a negative 4. So 2 times 3x squared is 6x squared. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 12. Add our like terms together. A 6x squared minus 4x squared, 2x squared, a negative 2 minus a 12 minus 14.